Hi friends, this is Sophie at Stuti's Cuisine. Hope you all are fine. We are fine here by God's grace. Thank you for all the subscribers who have been subscribing to me. Thank you so much. God bless. Today I'm come with a real good recipe, and one of my colleagues has been telling me to upload this recipe on my YouTube channel. So it's a very common traditional recipe which is enjoyed by the people all over, which has come from China, and it's called Kang Po chicken. And here it is. Doesn't it look so nice? Yes, it does. And I made it. Let's go to the kitchen and let's see how we make it. You can put as much of soy sauce if you want. I put a little less compared to my chicken I have taken. Also, you can put as much chilies if you want, if you like it more spicy. So my chilies, I put around 12 red dry chilies besides the pepper, but it's really not that hot. So if you like it hot, you can buy real hot chilies and put it, okay? Or you can even put hot sauce. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's march, okay? Thank you for watching and have a great day. So you see, it's so good. It looks so nice. And I'm going to dish it up, do you see? So the ingredients for Kang Po chicken, it's a Chinese national dish which is very common. When people go to restaurants, they very frequently have this. It's a very nice dish. So it's more or less like a stir fry. You can have it with rice, then you can make it more. 1 kilo, okay? So I have just cleaned the chicken. I have cut it into cubes and kept it aside, okay? 1 large onions and a hand or 2 handful of roasted peanuts or cashew nuts. You can put whatever you have, okay? Bell pepper, capsicum in 2 colors, that is orange and red. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons, crushed pepper 1 tablespoon, dry red chilies around 12. Ginger around 1.5 inch sliced, 12 cloves of garlic, 4 to 5 stalks of spring onions. And for the marinade, I have taken sesame oil, a pinch of 5 spice, corn flour 2 tablespoons and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the sauce, we need the stock, around 50 to 100 ml of chicken stock. We need tomato paste 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 to 4 tablespoons as per your sourness you like. You can put the rice vinegar, and soy sauce 2 tablespoons or more as per your taste, okay? So this is the chicken, which is already cleaned and in cubes. I have cut it. So we put at least 2 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons of sesame oil. If you don't have the sesame oil, then you can put any oil, corn oil, okay? So it doesn't matter much. So I'm going to put the 5 spice. It's just a pinch, okay? And then you put the sugar, okay? And then you put the corn flour in it. Some of them, they put egg for a coating, but I have not put the egg. It's corn flour. Just put the soy sauce. So, and then what you have to do is you just have to massage it well, okay? Just take everything and mix it all together. And just keep it for some time, okay? See that all the ingredients, what you put in is all in it. So let's swirl it around and keep it. So don't put the salt because soya sauce has got enough salt. So let's taste finally and put. So I've put enough of soya sauce in everything. So let this remain for some time while I go on the other side. Okay, now we are going to make the sauce and keep it. So I put the soya sauce. Okay, you put the chicken stock. Okay, you put the tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can just put a good ketchup if you want. It's just for the color. And the sugar. Okay, and the vinegar, the rice vinegar. And also, if you don't have the rice vinegar, you can just put the vinegar you have. So this is a sauce. And now we can just keep this aside and just taste and see. Good. Okay, now what I've done is I've just kept a pan on fire, put some around 3 tablespoons of oil and let it be hot. And I'm going to put this chicken which is marinated, okay? While you're putting it, just put it, spread it out. So let it remain for some time and then we can turn it over. So we are just cooking it around 70 to 75%. And because we are going to do it, we are going to cook it later. Okay, so we're going to turn it over. You see, so we just want to cook from all sides. It's on high fire, okay? We're just going to take it out. Take everything and put it, okay? Okay, now I'm going to take the second batch out. Okay, so I've kept the wok on fire and the wok should, and I've put the remaining oil in it and just swirl it around so that the oil reaches everywhere. It should be really smoky hot. And then we're going to put in the onions, okay? And we're just going to saute it for some time on high fire. Everything should be on high fire, okay? I'm going to put the ginger. So that it all infuses in it, and the garlic, the dry red chilies. So you can reduce the chilies if you want, but these are not really very hot. It's 12 of those. But if you want it hot, you can put more. If you want it slightly mild, you can put less of chilies. Usually in this, they do have chilies and a spicy one. I put the peppercorns. Oh, what smell! You can get such nice flavor to this. What smell of the chilies and everything. Now I'm going to put the capsicum or the bell pepper. Wow, see the color. It's wonderful. So I'm going to put the fried chicken now. And you should be ready for the sauce. once you stir it in. Okay. Wow. Yes. You see how good it looks? Here comes the sauce. Look at the sauce. So if you want it a little more thicker, then you can put some more corn flour and make it thick. If you want it a little loose, then you can just put more of the sauce that is more liquid. Like I've got some of the sauce here too. Let me put it inside. Or you can put some of the chicken stock you have. It's all up to your taste. Okay, it's done. And we just put spring onions. Okay. Nice. And that's pretty much. I'm going to dish it out. Just going to taste a little bit. It's fantastic. It's ready to dish out. It's not too spicy because my chilies are not too spicy ones, but you can put spicy ones as you like. Okay, I'm going to just come back after dishing. And before dishing out, I have to put a handful of roasted peanuts. You can put cashew nuts. You can also put any vegetables you want, more of it. But I think my chicken is more than the vegetables. Okay, so I'll come after dishing. So here is the Compois chicken. It looks so delicious, and as the appearance looks, it's also so very tasty. So I'm going to just taste a little bit of it. Okay, so here I'm going to taste it. It's really so good. The crunchiness with the roasted peanuts along with the soy sauce, the spices, everything has combined together, and it's a perfect stir-fry Compois chicken. You all must try it, and it's a fantastic tasty one. So please share it amongst your friends, cook it amongst yourselves, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.